So I'm just going to give a quick overview to some tools that I use to enable this. And mainly, I work with two different kinds of tools. One are mind mapping or flow charting software. And those would be to help kind of connect in the decision points to the activities, to information that comes in. And sometimes I think it's just best to draw that out outside of an actual timeline project management space, just so that you can get all of the connections right, and then use that to build a project plan. And then within that project plan, be able to have the links between activities that can help you figure out where's the critical linkages that will drive the overall time frame I believe it's going to take me to complete this project. And so for mind mapping, there's a range of tools that you can use coming from industry. I have a lot of familiarity with the Microsoft project and Microsoft Visio in particular for flow charting. It's a pretty expensive tool. MindJet has a range of different, and that would be more for mind mapping, but you can create flowcharts using those tools as well. And they have a range of things that you can pay for or use for free. XMind is another tool I've been experimenting with as well, just to create different kinds of overall process flows, to just get that bigger picture of how does this work connect together, how does it connect to my key decisions, and then jump into doing project planning. And I'm just sharing tools that I know or I've learned, and I have to give credit to Brian to helping me see Smartsheets. I'd never tried to work with that one before, but I think as a free tool for generating Gantt charts, it's one of the better ones. Microsoft Project is totally within my comfort space. If you have access to it, I know it can be complicated or feel a little complex, but it does make certain things very easy. Compared to Excel in particular, I often see people create project plans in Excel, but anytime you want to make sure you've got critical linkages between work, Excel is kind of terrible at managing all of that, because you usually have to go in and manage it all manually, and it's very easy to miss something that then was maybe connected and might drive your project to take longer that you just missed in the process of updating everything. Whereas Microsoft Project, you make those linkages once, you make a change one place, it'll just permeate all of it through. So that's the primary reason I prefer something like that to a spreadsheet.